the Madman! Welcome to SHUDDERWOCK! It's the Hop Near deck taken over the ladder by Storm. And if you've played Magic the Gathering and are aware of the mechanic Storm, then that statement might be a double entendre.
Can I help you, sir?
Ooh, we've got the Control Beetle Hunter. Sure, let's go Doomsayer that.
I don't need any of you. This beast will not be tamed. I will shoot for me.
There's only one card which is insane to hit with Farsight, and that's SHUDDERWOCK, and I figured that the chances of hitting it wasn't strong enough. I figure you should put in other card draw before Farsight. Let my guy stay on the board, sure.
To my side.
Nice and easy road when you're playing from ahead. Ooh, Wing Blast. At tempo. The prerequisite 1A, Chain Gang. Actually pretty low on cards right now. But we got the SHUDDERWOCK. All I need to do, and it seems like I should win, is draw a Grumble and a Life Drinker. I can Murmuring the Sandbinder, which that actually doesn't help at all. I already have everything. But I should play this before I draw, but I can't draw a Grumble. Okay, so next turn I have prerequisite 1C, which is Murmuring Grumble, which is the hardest of the 1 prereqs to hit. Then we just need prereq 1B, which is Life Drinker. Do I want to have this in my hand? And we'll go up to, I'll go down to 5, and then I think we actually just throw this away.
Let me get that.
Wow, this is actually going to be the fastest possible SHUDDERWOCK timing. So, I've completed 1A, 1B, and... No, I haven't done Life Drinker yet. I mean, I can still start the combo without Life Drinker. I hadn't thought about this, but we can skip the 1B step before step 2. Get the Murmuring SHUDDERWOCK off, and that's fine. This board's getting pretty spooky though. Wow, the trade. Alright, so next turn I did want to play Murmuring, but I really want a Lightning Storm here, so... Alright. And then just get these out of the hand.
This beast will not be tamed.
Okay.
I wonder.
That belongs in a museum.
If it is, should I play Mana Tide Totem here? I probably could use these cards. I might kill a Mana Tide anyways. If I end up losing both of these cards, then these two come back into my hand. I have a hand size of 5, so I can have 5 more spots, so I think that works out. Alright, cute. Unicorn. Maybe I just take another turn controlling this stuff. Oh, never mind. It's go time. So I haven't played the Life Drinker yet, but we can actually complete step 2 before step 1B. Interestingly enough. Awesome, Grumble went off before. So I hope that Lone Champion goes off, and then I get to copy this version, which is gonna come with the Divine Shield. Very nice.
That's incredible.
The Life Drinker wins the game. Very interesting order of having done this without playing Life Drinker yet, but I believe it'll work out. Wait, I actually should just play these two, just in order to get more board presence out. So, depending on whether or not I end up with... Okay, I'm guaranteed to get another Shudderwock in my hand since the... since the return hasn't happened yet. So shouldn't I play the Shudderwock right now? I'm not actually sure. It's fine. I ended up with a 6/6 Divine Shield for 2. Look good. Just the Life Drinker waiting room. It's interesting, like, I skipped step 1B, play Life Drinker, in this game, and we managed to do step 2 and step 3. We're just still waiting for that step 1B though. So I'm guaranteed to get the Murmuring back in my hand since it's the first thing that came into play. So in the best case, I'm going to end up with 2 6/6 Divine Shields, I believe. And in the worst case, I'll end up with just 1 6/6. I wonder if you don't even need the Life Drinker, because you just get the 1 mana 6/6 taunt Divine Shield every turn. Skip the middle, man. Probably just good to have the Life Drinker though, but this is a reason of maybe cutting the amount of Life Drinkers from 2 to 1. Wow, though, never life drinker.
How long can this go on? How long can this go on?
Well fought. I concede.
Can I help you, sir?
Truth is found in death.
Ooh, Keliseth mage. Keliseth on 2. Time for a challenge.
Speak to me.
Interesting deck to see Keliseth in. I would guess Elemental Mage? Hmm.
The end is coming!
Keliseth deck with many spells. Interesting, interesting. Part of me wants to save this for Aluneth, but is that deck running Aluneth? I'm gonna guess no.
That belongs in a museum.
Seems a little too high cost to run Aluneth. Has too many cards in hand right now.
Out of my jungle! Out of my jungle!
Okay, hopefully draw the Grumble from this. Wait! Oh, wait a second, I have both Murmuring, so I always get... I was thinking, if I had a Murmuring Elemental already in hand, and I didn't have the second one, I could play Murmuring Sandbiter and guarantee myself draw both of them. Pretty sweet. Thing is, I draw the Grumble, and I'm guaranteed to have 1C the next turn. 1C being Murmuring Grumble. So 1C will be complete, and 1B will be complete, but step 1A of playing a Serenite Chain Gang is pretty important.
Reality woven.
Let me get that.
I wake once
Okay, 1C complete. I have 1B in my hand. Just need 1A and the Man of the Hour Shudderwock.
yummy shroomies.
We can leave that Arcane Artificer up forever. Having a 7/7 up is pretty good. Maybe protect it with a Hex. Or...
Let me get that.
Step 1B complete. Just need step 1A.
Need a key?
Oh no! Buffed with Keliseth! Oh no!
Rumble!
I don't need any of you. Speak to me.
Okay. 1A complete. Well, almost. Just gotta play Serenite and then just a Shudderwock waiting room.
Do not fear.
This deck does demolish slow control decks, such as Miss Jaina over there. I'm pretty certain I'll be able to draw Shudderwock in time.
I
Interesting. He drew me a card before he died. Maybe his plan is to overdraw me.
Let me get that.
How long can this go on? Bring the pain.
For me.
How long can this go on? How long can this go on?
Let's play this too. In a weird spot where I want the mana tide totem so I can draw a bunch of cards, but I also
Decide.
might have too many cards. Probably the better play was to burn the lightning storms there. Well, silenced, right? Completely planned.
Time is now. What are you hiding?
I'm hoping this gets counterspelled. I didn't have the Shudderwock in hand, so it's okay to overload. And then, I guess I played this. I try not to play that since it would...
I will show you fear. I don't need any of you.
And I guess I'll hide behind the taunts for my mana tide totem. Nice discovery of Ice Barrier. That's probably the worst one since this does not matter about health at all.
Reality.
He's gonna be like, I have so much health! And he sure does have a lot of health. Hey, look at how kind I am. I'm gonna give you a water elemental. Nah, I'm not going to. No point in drawing this turn because I couldn't play Shudderwock the next turn.
I will be your
Ooh, combo.
pain. Speak to me. Mind if I roll knee?
Of course he would say thank you to that.
Oh, what's this one do?
Shudderwock. Oh, Shudderwock. We're kind of stalling on step 2 here. I got 50-50 of drawing into it, and I'm not gonna die the next turn, probably. That's what I want to see, a value card. Alright, so he's got 12, 15, 18, 20, 23, there we go. 12, 15, 18, 20, 23. I'm going to gain, since I've played 2, I'm gonna go back up to 30. So, 9, 12, 15, 21, 23. It's up to him to deal 7 damage to me, which is just Fireball plus Fire Blast.
I wonder.
It's rough, but that's about the best I can do. Also, I'm gonna have, hopefully, 6/6 Taunt Divine Shields. That's not always going to happen, but it would be nice. So I'm hoping for the Grumble to go off, and then I get the Lone Champion effect, and then I get the Serenite Chain Gang effect. So this is step 2. Oh, good, Grumble. Come on. Lone Champion? Show me Lone Champion? Ah. Unfortunate. Alright, does he have Fireball?
By my frozen heart.
Got a lot of cards. Pray he doesn't run Fireball in the deck. It's not just Fireball, there's quite a few different cards out there that it could be. Okay, now Fireball's not enough. Oh, we got this. Finally a clean 1A, 1B, 1C, and step 2 when SHUDDERWOCK's on 29th card.
Again, so kind of you to join me.
Oh, hello from Wild.
Let me get that. My claws that catch.
I actually shouldn't have played Murmuring there, I should have just gone SHUDDERWOCK. Missed a little bit of damage. Not that that matters too much. And if you have multiple SHUDDERWOCKs, you can just deal 60. Wait, no, actually I have more than 60. I have 120 because I've played 2 Life Drinkers. So each SHUDDERWOCK. The first SHUDDERWOCK will only deal 6 because it doesn't have the battle cries doubled. But the second SHUDDERWOCK will deal 12. So it's 100 oh, Harrison. Oh crap, what if Harrison's effect goes off multiple times? No, it only goes off once.
My jaws that bite. My claws that catch. There's little time.
I hadn't realized how fast you would have to play all of them though. Otherwise you rope. I wonder if it's possible this will not actually be a tier 1 deck because of rope. Like, it took all that time for me. It's possible on the first generation of SHUDDERWOCK that you don't have 2 SHUDDERWOCKs in your hand, you might only have 1. So you would have to actually wait for drawing the SHUDDERWOCKs back into your hand, and then you'd have to play them. I guess the animation times are a lot less though if you have less battle cries, which means you should still be able to SHUDDERWOCK OTK them. And there you have it! I guess you can even play the ones that are already on the board. That's fine. The animation time probably should be yeah, you can click through these, I guess. Anyways, easy. How did this make it past QA?